Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear SAP consultants, welcome back. We are here once again to discuss our SAP training session. Last time, if you remember, in the last training session, we discussed return request and return. Means the goods that have been returned back to us. Now, we are going in sequence delivery, return request, return, but here I will skip this one document. We will discuss it in later stage. AR invoice we will discuss today, that is very important. AR invoice mean account receivable invoice. The invoice, the document which actually going to hit our customer's ledger account. AR invoice we are going to generate against our delivery, against our, if we see it in a sequence, against sale quotation that was accepted, then sales order we created, then it was delivery. From those delivery, the delivery of 10 items, if you remember, then 2 items were returned back that were accepted by us, and the remaining items were 8. If you don't remember, please recall on previous session or watch the video of the previous session, then you will find it. Now it is the time to create AR invoice, the most important document. AR invoice. Once again I have opened AR invoice customer. Almost all the same type of particulars are present. I am once again going to close. We are going to fill it in accordance with our requirements and SAP requirements. So delivery is the basic document, last document we used to deliver the goods. If I recall last document delivery, it was showing this type of information: 10 7-up bottles, 10 quantity rate and other things. All these were things, and this was the party to which we delivered the things. Let me scroll it down. Copy to. Here is AR invoice, account receivable invoice. I clicked. We reached directly on AR invoice, which contain all the particulars we had in delivery documents. But one interesting thing and important thing to note is the quantity. The quantity of 8 items is going to hit the account receivable ledger, because delivery document was of 10 items. After that, 2 items were returned back by the customer to us, and the remaining is 8 items. It is automatically fetched by the SAP AR invoice document. It is a beauty of this SAP software that it is configured in such a beautiful manner that the return documents, it deducted from the actual delivery quantity and the remaining quantity of 8 units of which the invoice will be made. Today is the 18th April. We can see due date, it is by default setting. Document date is today's date. These are some additional things we will study at some later stage. What is this? These two things are not part of a standard document which is created by the SAP. These are created by us according to the requirements of the our client on which we are going to implement our SAP software. We will study in detail how it is created, what is its name, what is its importance. We are this time actually considering and concentrating on the AR invoice, and the important thing was the quantity to show you, which is going to affect the ledger. The amount total is 18.40. of this air invoice, and we are going to save it. This there is a document of this type of letter posting that okay, you can't change. Yes, okay. Item deviates from the permissible range. Why it is saying so? Why item is out of range? We will have to look for where we are wrong, where it is permissible range. Dates are okay, status is open, there is no problem, air noise based, and you I find no problem in it. It must have been saved. Exempt 8 quantity 2.3 rate, these are fine, okay. Why there is out of a permissible range? I don't think so it should show like this. Let me try once again. Date deviates from permission range. Date is going out. It is there is something problem in the date which is not going to proceed as we will see it at some later stage, but the basic function and the basic objective was to show the criteria, the quantity, and how it is filled and functions. Why date is disturbing? It is actually a teaching version of the SAP software. Sometime we face some problems in it. You can ignore it at this stage. You can say it has been properly saved. Otherwise we will discuss it. We'll try to find the problem in it and bring it into your notice. Take care. Allah Hafiz.